wash day. Let's try the up forward technique. All right, so today I washed with Xmondo's Wave Tech line shampoo and conditioner, and it's very moisturizing, hydrating. I love it. It's great shampoo and conditioner. And I have gotten out, I have put in Lus, LUS, and a little bit of Flora and Curl. I just mixed the two and used it as my leave-in, and I have split my hair in 3 sections. And we're going to start the upfront method. So what you'll need for the upfront method is whatever brush you use to distribute your products when they're wet. Like a Denman, I use the Hairful, and the wide tooth comb. All right, so take your section, and you are literally going to brush it straight up like this. And then you're going to take your comb and come behind it to separate it and let it fall. All right? And then you do each section. All right, now I'm going to go through the next section. All right, so these are the first 2 sections, and I have the whole front still to do, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and put the gel in these lower 2 sections of my hair. My favorite. You want to make sure that your hair is still really wet. You should be hearing it squish. Now we're going to do the front section, and you're going to bring it down and brush it all forward. All right, and you're going to basically do the same thing. I have to split those 2 a little too thick. Okay. All right. All right, one more piece. All right, let's put some gel in. Okay. So this is what it looks like after putting in my gel and brushing my whole head in the up forward fashion technique. Okay, I'm gonna diffuse. Oh my God, guys. Big volume, big volume. So, I love this. I love this because this is a technique. You don't have to buy anything else to do it. You can just try it because it's just a technique. One thing I'll say about my technique, it was my first try. I think I did okay, but I noticed when I played back my videos, I missed a whole section of hair in my front part right here because I have a lot of hair. And that was my bad, and I was not looking carefully. So next time, I think I'll even separate it again for my front section. And I noticed some other people, there's not many people doing this yet, but the other ones that have done like a tutorial, some of them pull the hair up and then comb it and let it fall forward for the front section. And I did it up and backwards. But the whole key to it is to brush up, run the comb to separate, and let it drop from up high. That's what you want to do. There were a couple of parts I thought might have been a little stringy, but I'm going to hold off on judging that until tomorrow because my day 2 hair is always my hair. So this is a wash day. You know what I mean? A good wash day hair. I'll show you the back and everything. It's still even just a little bit damp, which is crazy because it is so fat. I noticed immediately after I did the whole head of hair and let it fall forward, I could literally feel it lifted off of my scalp. I mean, it was amazing. I knew that it was going to be big hair because I could feel it already. So if you are struggling with volume, at least give this a try because, oh my gosh, guys, poof, volume. It's going to be crazy tomorrow. All right, I'm going to do a little spinny spin and show you the whole head. Show you what I got going on. It really looks really pretty. Love it. Love this technique. I hope that I will perfect it. And if I do, I'll do a tutorial later with a little bit better when I'm better at it. But for now, you can get the idea and give this a shot because it's a good one. The products I used were Xmondo's curl line. I believe he calls it Wave Tech. I used his shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo was so moisturizing, I could have stopped there. But because I recently did a balayage, I went ahead and used his conditioner as well. My hair was easily detangled with fingers, no problem at all. And then I got out and I used my LUS as leave-in. I did mix in a little bit of Florin Curl leave-in with it, just because I was trying to cut back a little bit on the glycerin in the LUS, because I do live in Florida. So I'm trying to minimize some frizz. And then I topped it with my all-time favorite Moroccanoil brand gel. They only have one. It is their Moroccanoil Stronghold Gel. And it is, in my opinion, the best gel, the very best. So I've tried hundreds, maybe thousands, and this is my favorite. So anyway, that's it. And then the Beharful brush, and I followed it with like a little cheap Moroccan brand comb that I got for free after a purchase. And followed it with the comb and let it drop. So yes, love this technique. I think it's fantastic. It has huge promise, and I hope that you'll try it.